Soft and chewy. So off now. Look guys, I have a yummy hot pot udon ramen, Japanese udon ramen with shrimp. It's so yum yum. So we're gonna eat now. We're gonna eat because we're gonna go out. That's it. Angela, ano mo ito? So guys, I'm gonna eat now because I'm so hungry. Hungry. So Angela ay kumano daw siya. Okay. Yeah, di. Ito ba? So we're gonna put now our anila dulu bago. Ito red one platinitos gravo. Okay? Ode. Tama na. Nito, oh. Oh, Chasha. Ito ba? Pumalo. 16 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe. Croatia. It's a Japanese noodles, udon. It's a udon ramen Japanese, fresh, and with a lot of shrimp and herbs. So garlic, onions, fresh garlic, onions, and tomatoes with powdered ginger, pepper, and little salt, and with oyster sauce and olive oil and soy sauce. So let's eat. That's for me because I like to eat a lot. Radish. And with homegrown Chinese kangkong. This is mine. Let's eat. That's mother. That's mommy.
That's where's baby.
Oh, this a toy.
That's scampi. I don't like scampi.
Okay, mama's skin is scampi.
I don't like scampi.
Okay, yes, I remove it. Ito lang. Samo mama's scampi. Niti. Ito guys, so yummy and tastes good na. Try it and you're gonna see, it's so yummy and tasty. Happy birthday. Not ni Angela. Mama will be proud with that. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, that's mine. There's my daughter. Plain only. That one inside it. Tama.
Yeah, ito barking noodles.
No, it's so hot. Tamo drogo strano.
Yeah, so the same.
Ni tamo, molente.
Okay.
Tamo. Okay, follow. This is for my daughter. Yeah. And this is mine. And we still have a lot. But I want a lot of this.
I don't like tomatoes.
Okay, skinny tomatoes. That's not this Bravo.
I don't like it.
Oh,
I don't like tomatoes.
Okay, stop it. I should supposed to put down